There's always something unexpected in survival battles in the wild. Predators usually come out on top, but there are plenty of counterattacks. That's why you won't want to miss today's video. If you're subscribed, let's get started. The speed and agility with which a leopard hunts is truly impressive. A piglet had been found and was about to become the leopard's dinner. That is, until its mother showed up. It's important to remember that all animals need to be able to fight if they want to survive in the wild. But this eagle made a big mistake by attacking the Komodo dragon, and now he's the one being hunted. Viper snakes are small but can be pretty dangerous. It seems it had decided to hunt a squirrel. Although it seemed harmless, it turned out to be a major problem for the snake. The orca's sudden and brutal attack strategy meant the stingray had no chance to use its poisonous weapons. It's easy to see why orcas are the best predators. The baby chimpanzee was a bit disrespectful to those who came to see him. His father didn't take long to give him a telling off. Underneath the rhino's huge and fearsome appearance may lie a frightened dog.
Oh my lord!
They're both leaders in their own right, but sometimes a simple roar is enough to determine who the true king is. Have you ever seen a bumblebee fight a mouse? Even though it was much bigger, the mouse still had to give in. It's as if the parrots are getting their own back for all the birds that have ever been hunted. I do feel sorry for the kitten though. It might be a myth that long legs give you an advantage. Luckily, he managed to get out of the lion's cage. The bravest are sometimes the smallest of the herd. Harmless, but still a good fight. I bet the rhino's friends are laughing at him right now. In the middle of a herd of yaks, a leopard targeted a calf and caught it. But he hadn't considered the calf's mother. He gave it a good try though. The cone snail starts its hunting journey by using its siphon to inject a small amount of venom into the water. This time, the unlucky victim was a bumping fish. The venom had paralyzed the fish, so it could only stand still while the predator devoured it. The serpent's rapid and painful attacks were no match for the strength of this pit bull's jaws.
Good boy.
Lions are one of the most formidable predators on the savanna, and they have the advantage of speed and hunting in packs. This is a successful hunt. Just to let you know, tigers are the strongest cats in terms of weight and bite. This dog is in a bad way. It's best to avoid tigers in their habitats. If you do enter one, you'll probably end up as their dinner. The frog was a tasty catch for the hammerhead, but seems to have been a bit difficult to swallow. The leopard had a plan to eat the baby cow, but the mother foiled the plan by crushing the leopard. In fact, donkeys can be a bit aggressive. This could probably happen to you if you make them angry. Set 1. Surprisingly, an experienced hunter, like a lion, can be taken by surprise by the ferocity of a honey badger. This is how a ramming attack works. You can be paralyzed for a moment. A Caribbean shrimp caught a dragonfish and started eating it alive.
Ve daha canlıyken yemeye başlamış.
The snake hunt today was uneventful. He caught an iguana without much effort. But things aren't always that easy in the wild. Zebras are usually hunted, but this time the roles seem to have changed a little.
That was awesome. Whoa!
Look at that! Bet you never thought you'd see that on safari.
To survive, you have to be careful about certain things. For example, you must not approach an angry bull. You may not always see a fish taunting a seagull, but you can never tell what is about to happen.
Seagull, go ahead and catch it.
It dropped and ate it.
Wow, finally. Oh no, no?
The world's strongest cat. Is he really scared of elephants? I think the elephant is king of the jungle now. The balance of nature is changing, or is it just me? The lion is afraid of its prey. I guess the mouse won't let go until the crow apologizes. Inexperience led the octopus to mistake the mantis shrimp for an ordinary shrimp. By the time the octopus realized that its prey was also a master, it was too late. Otters may look cute, but if you make them angry, they can turn into monsters. He narrowly escaped 2 crocodiles in the river, but there were 2 hungry lions waiting for him on land. The giraffe getting too close made the goose a bit nervous. If the giraffe had been watching us, it would have known that geese are nervous animals. The leopard was about to miss the prey when it fell on the hyena. The hyena repaid the damage by stealing the prey. Gazelles have to be on their guard at all times. sounds, even when drinking water. This is because they are the most hunted animal in the region where they live. Can you tell me who the real king is here? For a goose, the enemy doesn't really notice. He has attacked the hen, and none of the hen's friends has even tried to help her. An adult leopard can rival a marten, but a cub can't. Geese that can take on cows can take on us. Chimpanzees have a strange sense of humor. It's very similar to ours.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Some animals are intelligent, and their intelligence allows them to outwit their opponents. The best defense is a good offense. With its sturdy shell, the turtle not only defended itself, but also taught the snake an unforgettable lesson. It probably bit the snake on the inside. Moray eels are strong octopuses, but octopuses are also intelligent and can outwit a moray eel. Does not always grow in size and strength. Hide and seek is a common game in the wild. If you can escape, you are saved. The lion loved his life and hid in the tree. The home advantage would certainly help the cat to win and vice versa. If that blow had come, we might never have seen the cat again. It's like a whip. I don't need to remind you that the best defense is a good offense. No, he's not dancing. He's getting ready to eat them. Although big cats are serious, they are often playful. The jaguar learned a painful lesson when it chose the caiman as its first prey. Snakes don't care how big the prey is, as long as it's hungry. If you live close to the wild, it is normal for leopards to forage near your home. Teasing dogs is something monkeys do a lot. They like to have fun, but sometimes the fun backfires. That's it for today. Please don't forget to write down your favorite moment in the comments and like the video. You can also skip to the next video on the right and left. I will be waiting for you there. Bye.